Welcome back to my channel, guys. First, I want to thank all the subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. And today is a snowy day outside. We have 12 inches of snow today. And I'm going to cook a pot of soup for the family. Today, this is my carrot, my vegetable, my carrot and my pumpkin, and my Irish. That's the first thing I'm going to add to my pot. And next here I have some corn. I love to cook my soup with corn in it. So here I add a bowl. There are a lot of corns. So I'm going to add this to my pot also. Okay, and I'm going to cover my pot and allow it to cook. So the next thing I'm going to add my yam, my dumpling, and my chicken. Okay, guys, this is my snowblower battery that I'm charging up right here. So you could use it to clean up the snow. This is my snowblower battery. Right. Okay. I'll show you extra. See? You have to clean up the snow. A lot of snow. About 12 to 16 inches of snow. 12 to 16. One of the snow blower and one of the shovel. See guys? And I am inside. Lucky me. One of the snow blower, one of the shovel. And I am inside. And that's my granddaughter. She reached outside already. They love the snow. She reached outside. Reach outside already. My granddaughter. Kai said hi.
Hi.
And look here, I don't even see the step. I'm not seeing the step. Not seeing the step, guys. Let's see. Here, sitting down in the snow. Covering up ourselves in the snow. A lot of snow.
I don't have any legs.
And wow, that's my grandson. He's out now.
Help!
He's out and ready to. No, don't scrape it back down. He's out and ready to play. They're ready to play in the snow. You there? Love the snow. Curtis, I want him go over on the bank over there, so. And don't push on back the snow in the walkway. Look like our foot must have stuck in this.
I just don't